Imagine the daybreak, the first light of the day filtering through your window. The world is serene, silent, and in this quiet moment, what's that one thing that nudges you awake? The rich, inviting aroma of coffee brewing. It's not just a beverage, it's an experience, an emotion, a silent companion that kickstarts your day. Whether you're a fan of the robust espresso, the smooth latte, or the classic black, coffee is the universal language of morning motivation. It's said that a yawn is a silent scream for coffee, and who are we to argue? So as the world stirs into action, join in with your perfect cup. Remember, great ideas start with a sip of coffee. Here's to brewing success, one cup at a time.